friends, today we are here to introduce you some new product of Maplin. After starting lot of home and kitchen appliances like chimney, gas stove and the office appliances like the note counter and the money counting machine, they have come into the business of the smartphone. As you can see now, today we are here to introduce you the new smartphone range of the Maplin mobile. You can see product is over there. Dear friends, today we are here to unbox Maplin new smart. This model is G2, as you can see in front of you. This comes with lots of new features. They have lot of things in the product. First of all, we will look into the accessories they are giving along with the product. First, we will have a look on the charger. It is having a 2 ampere charger. This will support fast charging. Quality of this micro USB charging wire is really good. This is a pin for the SIM card. Along with that, they are giving two important accessories, that's the temper glass as well as the back cover, free of cost. That's worth more than 300 rupees, and this comes with along with the product when you will order. And now just we will have a look on the specification of the. It will have a CPU that is MTK 6737 Snapdragon. It's a 1.3 quad core processor. It will support Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and it also have a rear fingerprint. It will have this fingerprint sensor on the back side. Now we just have a review on the looks of the phone. As you can see, this one is their majestic black and this one is their ice blue color. The look of the phone is really good. We'll be showing 4 cameras on the back side. Out of that, the company claimed that it's 8 megapixel of camera. One camera is real, the other cameras are only to give the elegant look to the phone. As you can see, they are not claiming that these are the original cameras. Just the elegant look is the target. Now front, it will have a front, as you can see, 5 megapixel front camera. There are 2 speakers on the back side. We will just have a review on the operating systems and the other things on the phone. The about phone will be showing the model is G2 and the operating Android version is 8.1 with a quad core processor and the RAM is B and processor is MTK 6737. We'll just have a look on the memory and the other things. It will be showing the memory as 3 GB. Storage is 32 GB. Out of that, 9 GB is still used by here in the operating system, and the other apps we have downloaded for the unboxing purpose. It will come with lot of inbuilt app like WhatsApp, Facebook for the general uses. We will have a review on the quality of the videos and the other things. So we will have a review on the video quality and the audio quality of the phone. It will support 1080 pixels, as you can see it in front of you. With not display, the quality of video is really good. The audio quality we can check. The speakers are really loud and clear. This is really impressive. Video audio experience is really good. Now we will have a review on the camera of the phone. For the closure looks, the camera is okay. We will just try to have a little bit wider look. The quality is okay. We have also taken some outdoor pictures for the review. Outdoor picture, the colors are really good in this phone. Now we'll just try one selfie. For a limited use, the camera is really acceptable. Now we will just, after it's a 3 GB phone, we can check the gaming experience. For the gaming, if the network is good, the buffering, there is no buffering in the phone, and the quality of this gaming experience is really nice. And we have checked 3 or 4 games at a time. All will have, the phone does not hang for anywhere in the this is one is the review of the game experience we have taken the phone. Now we will have a review on the fingerprint sensor. How fast is this? Now you can see the fingerprint is really good. The best thing what I like this, in some phones we have to first press the power button, then the sensors will be operated. But in this it will be operated directly as you. So this is a real good thing I like in this phone. Overall, we will have a review. For the looks, this phone is really good. We are using this phone from the morning. Now it's the afternoon and still we have used 22% of the battery. That means the battery of this phone is really nice. With 4000 mAh battery, the performance is really good. The notch display, this phone really looks elegant, as you can see it in front of you. And with 3 GB of RAM, it will support all types of gaming and the other experiences we are having in the phone, and it will not buffer for anything till now. And for the live videos and the other things, we have tried with some YouTube apps and it will work very fine. The MRP was 12,999 and this phone is available on the online shopping websites as well as the Maplin stores nearby you. I hope you like this product and this video. Thanks for watching this video.